Sometimes a pattern would require you to work into slip stitches, and if your slip stitches are tight, you will have a hard time sticking your hook into them. So this is how I work my slip stitches and make sure they're loose. Before you start your slip stitch, pull up the loop on your hook a little bit up, pull it up a little bit, and then do your slip stitch. Then pull up your hook a little bit to make that loop loose, and then work your slip stitch. Pull it up, then work your slip stitch. Pull it up and then work your slip stitch. It wouldn't be hard. Once you get used to it, you would automatically start pulling up your loop and it would go pretty fast. And when you turn your work and work into those slip stitches, you can just pull them up and then stick your hook into it easily. So that's how you make your slip stitches loose, so it's not difficult to work into them.